Coordinate axis and coordinates. What is a graph? A graph is a representation of relation between two variables in a data. Displayed here is a graph. In this graph, one variable is represented on the horizontal line and the other variable is represented on the vertical line. The horizontal line is called the x-axis and the vertical line is called the y-axis. The x-axis and y-axis are called the coordinates axis. Both the lines intersect at right angles and the point of intersection is called the origin. Here, the origin is point O. Thus, the horizontal line is written as XOX dash and the vertical line is written as YOY dash. The coordinate axis, that is the x-axis and y-axis, determine the position of a point in a plane. Two numbers that express the position of a point in a plane are called the coordinates of that point. The distance of the point on the x-axis starting from the origin is called the x-coordinate, and the distance of the point on the y-axis starting from the origin is called the y-coordinate. The coordinates of the point O or the origin is 0, 0. Hence, the coordinates of point P is 4, 2. Now, let's see what are ordered pairs and quadrants. If x and y are two real numbers, the coordinate x, y is called an ordered pair of the real numbers. In an ordered pair, x is called the first entry or first coordinate and y is called the second entry or the second coordinate. The first number of the ordered pair or the x-coordinate is called the abscissa. The second number of the ordered pair or the y-coordinate is called the ordinate. The abscissa of any point on the y-axis is always 0. And the ordinate of any point on the x-axis is always 0. Quadrants. The displayed graph is divided into 4 parts, and each part is called a quadrant. XOY shows the first quadrant. XOY shows the second quadrant. XOY shows the third quadrant. And XOY shows the fourth quadrant. The first quadrant, both the abscissa and ordinates are positive. In the second quadrant, the abscissa is negative and ordinate is positive. In the third quadrant, both the abscissa and ordinate is negative. And in the fourth quadrant, the abscissa is positive and the ordinate is negative.